Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the car's electronics. Check for CAN bus and an immobilizer so you know how the new module must interface. Once confirmed, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts and remove the steering column covers to expose ignition switch wiring. Next, identify constant 12V, accessory ACK, and starter wires using a multimeter. Label each. You do this now because accurate identification prevents damage to the ignition circuit and ensures the push button will trigger the correct signals. Now mount the push button module in a stable location. Keep it clear of heat sources and mechanical linkages so it won't fail. Then wire the module. Use a relay for the starter circuit and splice ACC and constant 12V per the kit diagram. Solder and heat shrink for reliable joints or crimp with a proper tool. Make sure you connect a solid ground and the safety interlocks, like parking brake or neutral switch, so the system won't engage unintentionally. Test continuity before reassembly. With everything wired, reconnect the battery and perform stage tests. First verify ACC powers electronics, then press the button to confirm relay clicks and the starter engages. If ACC works but no crank, stop and recheck the starter relay trigger, ground integrity, and fuses. Also ensure the immobilizer is not blocking the start. Once the engine cranks, secure all harnesses, reinstall panels, and add an inline fuse to the 12V feed for protection. If problems persist, inspect solder joints and rescan the vehicle for fault codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.